Startup approved.
Okay, before start checklist.
Before start checklist, cockpit preparation.
Complete.
Complete. Gibbons and covers.
Removed.
Fuel quantity.
Check.
And takeoff data.
Set.
Approach takeoff Bravo 1, Alpha 5 at Victor Yankee.
1020.
Alpha Victor Yankee, switch with 11810.
18105 at Victor Yankee.
Below the line windows and doors.
Closed.
Closed. Parking brake.
Off. 38 on hotel.
Before start check is completed.
Check. Brake is on. Starting 1 and 2.
Checked.
We start 2 per 2.
Yeah.
Because the APU is able to start 2 engines at the same time to see that the controller are responding.
Full right.
I'm checking the rudder here.
Full left.
And she's following me with her feet because the pedals are linked.
Full right. Neutral, my side. So to go ground, bonjour, Etihad 11 Kilo Super, stopped at Tango Alpha 3, ready for taxi.
Etihad 11 Kilo, bonjour, taxi right to Romeo, Foxtrot, stop middle 2.
Middle 2.
And Charles de Gaulle is really uphill, downhill, uphill, downhill. It's a roller coaster.
Sierra Québec Golf, contactez 121 980, au revoir.
21 980, Sierra Québec Golf, merci à plus tard.
So to go ground, bonjour, Etihad 11 Kilo Super, taxi on Foxtrot.
Etihad 11 Kilo Super, bonjour, taxi straight ahead, holding point 9 right.
Etihad 11 Kilo, good day from Delta 3, line up and wait, runway 09 right.
From Delta 3, line up and wait, runway 09 on right, Etihad 11 Kilo, good day, bonjour.
And below the line.
Sure. Below the line.
Approach is clear.
Checked. Cabin ready?
Check.
Yeah, cabin crew.
Advise.
Takeoff runway.
09 right.
That's confirmed. Yeah, back 1 and 2. On. Before takeoff check is completed, check.
Etihad 11 Kilo, wind 020 degrees, 12 knots, runway 09 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear takeoff runway 09 on right, Etihad 11 Kilo, over the bay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Etihad 11 Kilo, remain my frequency.
Yep.
Remain Etihad 11 Kilo.
Air France 083, maintenez avant
Check.
piste 09 droite, point d'attente kilo 8.
On maintient avant la 09 droite en kilo 8, Air France 083.
Trust.
Checked. Thrust is set.
Check.
Car bonjour, Lufthansa 99 Kilo.
Lufthansa 9 Kilo, bonjour number 1, wind 020 degrees, 12 knots, runway 09 left, clear to land.
Lufthansa 99 Kilo, clear to land, 9 left.
100 knots.
Check.
Lead 1.
Rotate. Boys flying.
Gear up.
Get up.
Nav.
Check.
France 083, traversez piste 09 droite, après la traversée, contactez le sol, 121 décimal 610.
Alors on traverse la 09 droite en kilo 8 et l'autre côté 121 610, Air France 083.
Finnair 5 Tango uniform, good day from Delta 3, line up and wait, runway 09 right.
Right Delta 3, line up and wait, 09 right, Finnair 5 Tango uniform, bonjour.
Etihad 11 Kilo, contact De Gaulle departure, bye bye.
Contact departure, Etihad 11 Kilo, goodbye, over.
Correction, contactez Paris 124, décimal 850, au revoir.
124, 850, Air France 500, au revoir.
Air France 45 kg Juliette, montée niveau unité 90.
Niveau unité 90, Air France 45 kg Juliette.
Charles de Gaulle departure, bonjour, Etihad 11 Kilo Super, climb flight level 130, passing at 3000.
Etihad 11 kilo, bonjour, Vanix 2 Golf, departure, climb flight level 190.
Climb flight level 190, Etihad 11 kilo.
Set 190.
Sure.
Trust the cam.